In this tutorial, I'll show you how to sign up on GitHub. Creating a GitHub account lets you host repositories, collaborate on projects, and explore open source software. First, open your web browser and go to github.com. Once the page loads, click Sign Up in the upper right corner. You can sign up using an existing Google or Apple account, or enter your email address to create a GitHub account. Next, create a strong password for your account. Then, choose your username. This username will be visible to other GitHub users and will also be part of your GitHub profile URL. After that, select your country or region from the available options. Once you've entered the required information, click Create Account. GitHub may ask you to verify your email address or complete an additional verification step. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish setting up your account. Once the process is complete, you'll have access to your GitHub account and can start creating repositories, exploring projects, and collaborating with other developers. That's how to sign up on GitHub. Thanks for watching.